Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Evan the Hobo token. Now this token was just trending on DEX tools. I just saw them live on Twitter doing a Twitter space. And yeah, this is a Solana meme coin. Name of the token is Evan and ticker symbol is also Evan. We're going to go over the information on the Evan token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over here. They're doing a Twitter space actually right now. And they have a blue verified check mark. You can find their Twitter at EvanOnSol. By the time I upload this video, their Twitter space might be over, but you can go listen to the recording if you like and see what they were talking about. Maybe it was like an Ask Me Anything or something. Let's scroll down and see what they're actually... yeah, I'm not sure where the announcement is, but they're talking about something right now. Oh, there it is right there. Just lagging on the screen. Yeah, 45 minutes ago, they started a talk on Twitter that you could check out. They only have 21... tweets so far. This is a very brand new token. So it's called Who is Evan? The Solana meme space is about to change forever, and there's 161 people listening to this live stream chat, so you can check that out after it's done there. And it says Evan the Hobo, the boring accountant turned gremlin god of mematics. Follow his lead and he will shine light in the darkest corner of the trenches. Has a link to their webpage right there, evanthehobo.com. Just joined Twitter November 2024. 3,074 followers already. And yeah, so go check this token out here in their pinned tweet right there. They have the contract address and their Telegram as well. And their Telegram is at Evan_portal. So basically all the links you're going to need are on this Twitter right here. You can find the webpage, contract address, Telegram, and then once you go to the webpage, you could also find a DEX tools and DEX screener chart. So that's going to tell you all these statistics. You'll be able to see the price. You can also find the token on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, BirdEye, and SoulScan. So it says, who's overdosing on caffeine tonight and aping into Evan, our favorite gremlin god of the gens, just launched on Solana. And this is a tweet from November 21st. So that's when it came out a few days ago. Contract address, it says, join the Telegram. We are going full Degen. So if you wanted to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet. Any one of those wallets would do. You'd fund your wallet with Sol. Once you funded your wallet with Sol, you would go into the dApps. You would find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find in their pinned tweet right there. Now, you could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You can fund that wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. And also, you will have to pay a little bit of gas fees when buying tokens off Raydium. You may be also able to get this token off other DEXs like Jupiter, Meteora, Orca, and they might get some central exchange listings coming up in the future because this is still a very brand new token. Now, if you go over to their Telegram at Evan_portal, portal. They have 764 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project. Now, I just checked. This token is trending number 24 right now on DEX Screener in the Solana section. Kind of resembles, I don't know if you've seen the MAD token. I did a video on that maybe about a month or two ago when that token was new. And kind of looks like the same sort of purple cartoon type character there. Degenerate. But yeah, so this token has been doing marketing on DEX Screener today. They have the 1000 lightning bolts marketing boost ad button there. Today they're up 56.89%. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $4.7 million. They've had 15,605 transactions today. $47.5 million is their market cap, and that's also their fully diluted valuation. They have $963,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium, and according to DEX Screener, 99.99% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price right now is 4.89 cents per token. And it says this token pair was created on Raydium 6 days, 6 hours ago. They made this token on pump.fun, a webpage for creating Solana meme coins. You could tell because the contract address ends in pump. They have 2,093 SOL right now in Raydium, which is equivalent to 9,930,000 pooled Evan tokens. So Evan is the gremlin god of the gens, born from the collective consciousness of Solana warriors. To shield the sleepless and chart obsessed, at 3 a.m. it awakens, fueled by monster energy and borrowed liquidity from protocols that doesn't even exist yet, to protect trench warriors from getting wrecked. In Evan, we trust. So it says here they have a quick audit on DEX Screener. It says no mintable tokens and contract is not freezable. So far they have 3,750 holders. So they're off to a good start here in a few days. And it also says here that they have a total supply and circulating supply of 999.82 million tokens. And you can also find a quick audit by Quick Intel Security on DEX Tools. And it says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. And they also got a DEX score of 99 out of 99. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.